Okay, Tube, this is going to be another unboxing video. This and I unboxed the other day. It was right after I got them, the one unboxing video I showed you. These are supposed to be put in there, and it's air silencer, air something, but you put it in there, air goes through them like in a fish tank. So it just ain't going all at once. It goes out through that. I think it's supposed to make it quieter. They're pretty cheap. So got that. Got this today. This should be, we can tear it open here. There, we got a hole in it. Let me set you down here. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna get me something for the camera. Alright, got that open. Alright. This, because these are compressors, but on your compressor you have relays that will turn it on and off. This ain't a knife, but it should work. Alright. Well, I used to just wire them up with wire ends or whatever, do it itself. But I think I paid $12 or something for these. It's something like that. It ain't a lot. But this one actually came with more relays. This relay's actually got a place where it clips, you can hold it. But it's a wiring harness. And on these wiring harnesses, should have 3 heavy wires. 3 light, I think 3 light wires and 3 heavy wires. It was supposed to be. I'm gonna move it down and see. That's a light wire. Yeah, these 3 right here are heavy. Then 1, 2. It's only 2 light. No, I'm not telling you wrong. I think these 2 are the same, roughly. Well, anyway, these are, and that goes in there, and that's what's going to turn on and off your actual now I can't talk. But that's going to turn off your compressors. Now, the only reason I could get these compressors so quick is I asked a relative of mine, which I did this before. They're part of my Amazon. And I asked them if I could put it on theirs and pay them so much a month. Because these right here, these compressors in here, shoo, man, they're not cheap. It's close to $400, this box right here. I think these are going to be the biggest compressors I've ever owned. I think I had the 400s before on a 12-gallon tank, but these are the 480s. These are one of the biggest ones. Now, the Vixen, like I was gonna go Vixen. I could have got the Vixen 480s or the 580s or something, but they look so much cheesy and crap. The finish, what I could see of them, they wasn't that great. And they were chromed. Why would you chrome something, to me, why would you want to chrome something and then have it not look so good? Let's see if we can get this out without tearing anything up here. There we go, guys. I gotta clean my room up. I got 2 more RC cars today, hobby grade. Got tons of stuff today at the auction. Let me see. This is a fill rate. I don't know how good you can see that, but my 5-gallon tank fill rate to 165, or I mean 200 is like 5 minutes and 2 seconds or something. But I'm only gonna run. Now see, this comes with all this stuff. Comes with the fusible link. Comes with your pressure switch. All that airline. I mean, great deal. And this is Viair Air. Now I've dealt with Viair Air before. That's why I trusted it. I went and got it. It costed me a good bit more. That's what I said. I think this kit right here is $379 it was to the door. Well, you gotta add your tax and all that stuff, but the ones I got before wasn't this nice. That's what I'm saying. They were singles. This is actually a kit. Looks like it's Viair Air is making now. I bought everything individual. Looks like you might have a... Yeah, you got a return policy. Oh, look. We got stickers. Right on, guys. They're not bad looking either. Via your virtual air source. I might have to put them on the car. Wish I had some Vixen ones, because I got the Vixen airbags and all. Let's see what all this stuff is. I can actually take them other things and put it in here too. And this is a real heavy gauge, well, I can tell. Alright, let's go here. That is some huge pipe. That looks like a half-inch outer diameter. I'm gonna set you guys down. Try not to knock you over. While let's go through this first. We're gonna stick this. You already seen that. We're gonna put that in there. This right here should be just your Viair Air actual air filters. Yeah, that's what it is. I don't want to take it all out, but if you want, you can take this right here, you screw that in, and then you take this and you push that in there, and then you can make your air for your little air filters and all reservoirs. You can make them wherever you want. These are supposed to be chrome. I'm going to see it. See, here's another pack of them. They give you screws to actually bolt them down. Your compressors, I never had that before. That is very nice. Well, let's see how cheesy, and I mean cheesy because it usually probably is your air compressor piece. Why can't a Viair Air? You're spending all this money on this great kit. I mean, nice kit. Why can't they make these out of aluminum? But that's just my opinion. I am wrong, guys. That is aluminum. I'm staying corrected. It just felt too light. It felt like plastic. But it sounds like metal. But there you go. There's your air filter, goes in there. I have to read the directions how it goes together. I'll probably take this off, because the ones I had before are plastic. That actually, sorry Viair Air, that is nice. That is actually aluminum. Alright, we've seen them two pieces. Now let's go to these. Now here's your, they're printed with their name, Viair Air. These are about the same as the ones in the box that you guys are sitting on. I see parts in here, but this is probably a 160. Let me get my glasses, guys. Don't just knock you off here. Old age. Which I'm only trying to push my car. Now, if it seems like it don't have enough pressure, I'll put this switch in or get another one. This is a 20 amp pressure switch. It looks like it kicks on at 165 and turns off at 200, so that's a 35 difference. The only thing I do not see in this kit, this is pretty decent. This ain't like the one in my car. One in my car don't have all this stuff. See, that pulls out. I showed you the one in the car, how it's starting to deteriorate. These will actually fit in that first one I showed you, but I don't see fuses, guys. If I don't find the fuses, I'm going to have to get on Amazon and they're going to have to give me some. Because this kit is supposed to come with fuses and everything. I'm pretty sure it did. Now there's the result. There's your air filters. Alright, let me turn you over here. I definitely got to get me something to hold that camera. I do not see fuses yet. I'm going to grab one of these out. We're going to see what it looks like. It's got some weight to it. So, that's a plus. If you pick these air compressors up and it's light, this 3/8 link here looks very, very nice. I'm going to take, let's see if you guys are seeing that. Yeah, maybe a little closer. But you seeing this right here? I'm going to take all that off because that gets hot. It gets stuck on there. It looks like crap anyway. I might take this off, make it look good. I'm going to leave all the sticker on there, but very, very nice compressor, what I see. The only thing I got to change is this adapter here. I'm going to have to make something for it because, see, that's supposed to plug on to here. And I got the wiring kit, so good ground. It's already made up. The only thing I do not see is my fuses. gonna set that back together. Me, you, and the computer are gonna go have a talk. What I mean by that, I'm gonna go look on the computer. I'm gonna put all these extra parts in here. Right here it shows too. We're gonna see. There we go. I'm gonna put that information in there. Tells you how to put your pieces together. Shows you how to wire it. Put that in there so we don't think we're gonna get that in there. Anyway. But we are gonna go online, because if it's shown in the picture and I'm paying $400, I'm getting them. If I gotta call Amazon corporate or not. Let's see. Set you guys down for 1 second here. Getting close to my time for it to be kicking off. Actually, I can go right to email. I'm gonna go track a package. Get all this crap. It says it came. That didn't work. Let me go to my orders. Because I could be wrong, guys. It's not letting me in. That is my right password. Something not right here, guys, if you can hear me. I cannot get into my Amazon account and just bought stuff. L. I'll try that. Someone's alright. Well, I'll get back with you guys. I'll check it out. There's my ride. I'll put that on here and let you know. But alright. Okay, got it fixed, tubers. What it was is I hit my cap locks button, and I was trying to put my password in. It was every time I'd put a cap on, it'd make it smaller. Anyway, this is what I ordered. This right here, and I thought I seen this part here had a fuse with it. But it doesn't come with fuses. I will stand corrected. You get all this. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is all your hardware. These are your for your tubes to tie them if you want. Then your Viair Air, and this right here would be the part that go. No, I'm telling you wrong. I don't know what that would be. I got them. Maybe it's just something, because this is what I got. It's already clumped on there, which I'm going to probably unbolt them. And I thought, I'm wrong, but I thought my last ones were plastic. These are actually aluminum on this. And here's my fill rate. 5-gallon tank, which I got 0 to 200 psi at 5 minutes and 2 seconds. But I'm only filling my tank to, I think, 120. I think my switch is. I got another switch, 120. But the refill rate for that, anyway. And if you go in here, it will tell you your dual CFMs, your amps. So if we come over to here, and I go over to roughly, let's say about the middle, 120, I'm still going to be a flow rate of 1.84, but my amps at that time will be 40. Is that right? No, my amps is 48. 41.0 is, you guys probably know what that means, LPM, which I don't know what that means. And you see it drops off here, but I'm not going to 200, try not to. If I don't have enough, I'll go to 150, but I just want to raise and lower the car and make it move a little bit, so. Alright, so I was totally wrong, but right here is what I bought. I go into my orders. This is what we got coming tomorrow. I had to get this. I had to get that adapter. That adapter is going to plug into that bottom piece that you've seen before, my square, and it's going to go from 1/4 to 3/4 so I can hook my hoses in. Now we can start setting it up. But they got tons beyond tons of stuff on Amazon, and great prices. So, all right, let me turn my other camera on. I think I got it on. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you like my videos. And if you don't, thanks for watching at least. Until next time, we're gonna be out there trying to figure out how we want that setup to look. But till then, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Till later. Bye, YouTube.